Hello friends! Today we're making these delicious sweet and spicy chicken wings. This is such an easy wings recipe and perfect for the football season. Let's get started. We're using some chicken wings for this recipe and we're going to season them with some garlic and onion powder, paprika, Italian seasoning, salt and black pepper. Drizzle in some olive oil, then mix everything together. Once everything is mixed in, you can either grill or bake your chicken wings, and I'm going to show you how to do both. To grill the chicken wings, preheat your grill to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, place the wings over the grill, then grill them for 45 minutes. Make sure you flip them every 5 minutes, that way they don't burn. To bake the chicken wings, place them over a baking pan sprayed with nonstick spray. Then bake them in the oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 minutes as well. Halfway through the baking time, make sure you flip your wings over. Then put them back into the oven to continue baking. And if you're grilling your wings, make sure you turn them over every 5 minutes, that way they don't burn. While the wings are cooking, we're going to make the delicious sweet and spicy sauce for them. Melt some butter in a saucepan, add some sriracha, some honey, soy sauce, balsamic vinegar, and then we're going to grate in some ginger and garlic. Mix everything together and let the sauce simmer for 1 minute on medium heat. Then as soon as the wings are done baking, take them out of the oven. If you're grilling, this is the time to take them off the grill as well. Place the wings into a mixing bowl, then pour the sweet and spicy sauce all over them. Toss them together and that's it. These sweet and spicy wings are ready to be enjoyed. These wings came out so good. They're very flavorful and absolutely delicious. If you guys would like to try these wings for the football season, check the description box for all the ingredients and measurements.